Hi, it's Colt from Britain a lot. Right, we're going to attempt to do the X End motor side of the Lautr3k 3D printer without belts build. Right, what you need is the 3 parts for the motor side for the Lautr3k printed. 4 low profile M5 bolts, 40mm long. 4 mini V wheel slot wheels, 8 1/4" aluminium spacers, 8 1mm spacer or washer, whatever you want to call them, and also M3 bolts with the Allen key end. And they're 12mm long, 3 M3 screws, 10mm long, the nut for the lead screw, and that's it, all you need. So just like before, take your main piece, put your M5 bolts through, there we go. And again, as before, 1/4" spacers on first, on all 4 of them, a mill washer on top of that, the mini wheels on top of them, another mill washer on top of them, and again 1/4" spacer on top of them. It's going to be easier to figure out this one because of the shape. Alright, so now take this piece and have a fiddle around and get it, all the holes lined up in with the bolts, like so. Okay. Oh, turn right, one more thing. M3 nuts for the M5 bolts. I need 4 of them. Okay. Just find it easy if you get them all just biting, so it just holds the piece together. And then tighten them up. Okay. Okay, now put it flat on the surface, facing this way, and just so it's all, try and get it a little bit straighter. sure it's not all wonky. Tighten the bottom pieces. So about the board head. A bit wobbly, isn't it? Loosen this wide up. So then try again. Okay, sturdy enough. Okay, they move pretty freely. That one's a bit too tight. Nice. Okay. Cool. Right. Don't tighten these up too tight. Just so they've got a bit of bite more on the bolt. You can still move them in the middle. I'll tighten them up later on the other parts of the assembly. That's a little bit too tight. Okay, we've got a little bit of movement there. Lots of movement on that one. It's a bit too tight now. Okay, it moves in there. It's together. Moves in there. The wheels roll fairly smoothly. There's no wobble on it, so it's all even. Okay, now take your nut for your lead screw. Line up the holes with the print part. Take your 10mm M3 10mm screws, screw them in nice and gently, not to overdo it, just so it bites. Once all three are in, it's going to hold quite nicely. Okay. Nice. Okay, now take your NEMA 17 stepper motor. Oh, take the washer, sorry. Place it on there. There. And yeah, M3 12mm bolts. Place them into the print to attach the stepper motor to the print. I'll give a link to all where the actual build manual is for this and all the parts you need to print off underneath this video. Nice and tight, so it's all on. Let's take that off. Okay, there you go. We have now assembled the X End motor side of your X can. Here we go. Very nice. Okay, thank you guys.